Hello IG Garage family, if your scanner is showing the P2177 code, don't ignore it. Because this code is related to your engine's air-fuel mixture. And if left unresolved, it can reduce engine performance, increase fuel consumption, and cause drivability issues. What does P2177 mean? P2177 stands for System to Lean Off Idle Bank 1. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the engine is running to lean on bank 1 when the vehicle is operating above idle speed. A lean condition means there is too much air and not enough fuel in the combustion process. For the engine to run properly, the air-fuel mixture must stay within a specific range. When the mixture becomes to lean, engine performance starts to suffer. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P2177, you may notice: check engine light on, poor acceleration, engine hesitation, rough running, loss of power, reduced fuel economy, hard starting, and sometimes engine misfires. In some cases, the vehicle may feel normal at idle but hesitate during acceleration. Component location. Now let's talk about location. The components most commonly related to P2177 include the mass airflow sensor, also called the MAF sensor. This sensor is usually located between the air filter box and the throttle body. The oxygen sensors are located in the exhaust system. Fuel injectors are mounted on the fuel rail, and vacuum hoses are connected around the intake manifold area. All of these components can contribute to a lean condition. The most common causes of P2177 include vacuum leaks, dirty or faulty MAF sensor, low fuel pressure, clogged fuel injectors, intake air leaks, faulty oxygen sensor, exhaust leaks, or fuel pump problems. Vacuum leaks are one of the most common causes because unmetered air enters the engine and creates a lean mixture. Quick diagnosis: start by checking for vacuum leaks around the intake manifold and hoses. Inspect the air intake system for cracks or loose connections. Check live MAF sensor data using an OBD scanner. Verify fuel pressure according to manufacturer specifications. Inspect oxygen sensor readings and check fuel injectors for proper operation. How to fix P2177. Repair vacuum leaks, clean or replace the MAF sensor. Replace damaged intake hoses, repair exhaust leaks. Clean or replace clogged injectors, replace faulty oxygen sensors if necessary. Clear the code and perform a complete road test. Final result: fixing P2177 will restore the proper air-fuel mixture, improve acceleration, restore engine power, improve fuel economy, and help your vehicle run smoothly again. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.